box and see the radar. Thank you. And there's a circulation continuing to move to the northeast.
We're looking for a man that no one seems to be able to account for. In fact, we witnessed them rescuing his dog from the house. Now, this area has an active gas leak and several power lines.
Alright, we have a tornado warning coming right at us. Just got out of the gym, I had to evacuate everybody. Alright, the storm's coming from Wilson, southwest. Go home and look at the HD radar. Tornado warnings for southwest Carter. Alright, we're looking there at the southwest. This thing is coming in.
This about this storm has had a wedge tornado.
Is there still a tornado on the warning?
Yeah. But this one's coming right at us too, and it had a wedge tornado. There's a warning there.
Stay in your cellar though.
100 be advised, we're going to east west.
90. See if I can get. I don't know reports. Alright.
Long Grove, was you clear and direct on this traffic? That's what I was going to tell
You already head south and look at
About
it.
advised, Long Grove,
Yeah.
fix that on about
I don't know, but I would like to say my truck's about out of gas.
Heard about it.
That's done.
Or take yours. I still got this on record. Someone go out and shoot here. Let's all go. Alright, right here, southwest Lone Grove. Just had to evacuate the whole gym. I don't know if they're playing ball, but they better not be. Y'all stay. I don't know. Y'all getting struck by lightning? Whoa, man, that was awesome.
Look straight up and over to the north.
Well, that's not where it should be right
No,
now.
I mean it's short.
Oh wow! Did you see? Oh wow! Because the policemen were asking me what to do. I had the radar and everything.
Well, of course.
Yeah, one more is better than here.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Alright, somebody, it's on record. Keep recording. Don't get struck by lightning. I'm gonna look at the radar. I gotta look at the radar again. Y'all, if you'll see anything, tell me.
Okay. Asa Ross taking camera.
We got radars.
Lightning's crazy. Aaron's inside looking at the radar.
Ron said y'all need to come in and do a lot.
Okay.
Alright.
Bye. Saying that
The best thing you can do to determine what's going on with the weather is use your eyeball.
Alright, where you at?
You see this, the scroll across the bottom of the screen. Possible tornado.
Alright, let me pull up these. Supposed to be at Lone Grove at 7:37 according to KXII.
Find out how far away we are from the center.
Just doesn't have much of any hook echo on it.
4 miles. So that's
But oh, there's a donut hole. They're extending the warning, correct?
Yes.
Capable of producing a tornado.
Yeah.
15.
They are extending the warning. Alright. Tornado warning in effect. It's 7 miles south of Wilson. Includes Lone Grove, Wilson, Ardmore, Overbrook. This blew a house away. My papa just said right here in Ord. This storm just did. That one person.
So we need to go?
We need to, no, not yet. Yeah, oh shoot. Guys, I'm talking video outside. Stay under the awning, go video outside southwest. Look for anything.
Go. Stay close to the house. Southwest. What's the truck? Stay close to the house. Baseball Signs Hill, 1 mile west of Lone Grove.
Big hook, big
Hey,
hook, big.
hey, Mr.
Yeah,
Hay.
gotcha. Big hook right towards us. We're, see, here's the deal. We're in the cone. Hell's gonna miss us mostly. We're gonna be straight for the tornado. Forget the hell. The tornado's coming right at us.
Okay.
That was right there, so I ain't going until my second.
I'm going. I want to go.
I want y'all to go. It's right there on this west side of the house. Alright, y'all, excuse me. We need to get. My dad, that's my dad. Get that.
Aaron, hurry!
Hey. What? That's pretty, like, not important right now. Just get somewhere safe. Just get somewhere safe. There's a big tornado warning, and it said it's gonna hit Logan the
They're
hardest.
sounding the sirens. They're about to sound the sirens.
Alright, so get somewhere safe, okay, man?
I'm gonna shut the door.
No, we've got somewhere safe, don't worry about us. Just hurry up and get somewhere safe. I gotta go.
Well, Doug Ray's
Alright,
on it.
good.
That's your flashlight.
It's okay, we got phones. We got phones.
Where's Georgie?
I guess he's inside.